Hardcore global thermonuclear war. DEFCON 2.
What's going on, guys? Another round of Airsoft at Camo raids in Essex. Your boy's finally catching up on some editing a year later. And yeah, let's kick it off with some Capture the Box. Pew, pew, pew. Are we going dark now?
Yeah.
Are we? Huh? Yeah. So we're spawning on the opposite side. Oh yeah, some boxes here. 2 boxes here, gents. My thoughts are try and get ahead of the boxes so we can see what we need to get.
Rush.
Yeah, yeah. The irony. Yeah, let's go quick. And I'll just take my time. I'm gonna start counting the amount of Nathaniel sightings in spawn, being scared for absolutely no reason. Quick little recommendation, bring a flash. So buy one from wherever, Amazon, wherever, and make sure you come to Camo with it. Whether you've got your own riff or you're renting, it will make your experience a lot better. And a tracer if you can afford it too. I look back in these videos and I laugh because it was such a long time ago. As I mentioned, just getting through the editing side of things now. And I've changed so much just as a player. With that being said, I'm going to apologize early, because I know I'm going to be triggering a lot of people and hopefully educating a lot of people who might be getting to Airsoft for the first time. Press. The fact you're falling over the objective. There's no point because they have to press here to this box. I'm not dying for. Careful, yeah, he's camping it. There you go. See, you see him? Yeah. So this game mode, you basically need 2 people to hold on to a box to take it back to spawn. At this moment in time, we're defending, so. He's right there. He's behind that second wall.
Hey. Ooh, that was close.
Oh shit, he's gone low. Ooh, shit. There's a fiery one over here. That's why I mentioned at the start of the game, let's get some ground so that it makes it harder for the enemy to get to the boxes. So you'll find a lot of camping in this game, but in Camo, because it's so linear, it's sometimes in your benefit, in your favor. You'll win a lot of games basically defending. Like a lot of other sides, to be fair, but more so in Camo. Nice, thank you, good call. Fuck, I don't know where that's coming from. Oh, yes I do. Yep, we can. Oh, hit, motherfucker, good shot. I'm staying right, because I want to push back where I was. Yeah, if someone says trade, we're both dead. Oh, okay. So you can call that on someone else as well if you feel like you've shot them and they're just going. Yes, to elaborate on that, basically, if you both shoot at the same time, then that's what I was explaining to this lovely gentleman who was good push, I think, fellas, only playing for the first time. Good fucking push. That was fucking quick. I know you guys have seen a previous video of me at Camo, but this was all on the same day. So I just want to, maybe I'll turn it into a small playlist just so you guys know what the time frames are. Yeah, no, I didn't mean to. It went on auto. My fault. This was my first time playing Camo. And prior to this, I played at DTW in Colchester. So it's not like I had like a bundle of experience. I was still very, very new, as some of you will clearly notice from my game. Hey, I need one. I kept on fucking white just now. No, you're fine. You're fine for now. Yeah. Because if we're together, then we'll be fine. So I find Camo is a lot like this. Like there's a lot of straight line fights, and sometimes where there are a lot of people, it can be frustrating sometimes because, you know, someone or 2 or 3 people have a covering of a door or a room, and you're kind of left there and you can't really do much. So this wasn't one of the days, fortunately, especially as me being new at the time. I got to get in there and get stuck in. On this occasion, it was very dark as well, so I do apologise for the lack of light. Something that I have learned from playing at other sites too is just to be less combative with opinion and voice, which you'll see coming up soon. I have a little bit of a back and forth with the gentleman. Funny enough, I think it was the gentleman that just shot me.
Good shot. I think you got me. I couldn't feel it. Good job.
But yeah, level 2 in particular, who are probably on the more precautionary side of things, basically teach you do not engage whatsoever.
Woo! That was a good one. No. Of course not. Dead man don't talk.
Even if it's somewhat friendly, they're not for the allowance of it to proceed and go further. So somewhere in the middle is where I like to be, I think. Not as aggressively spoken as today, but equally as not as precautious as what level 2 do.
Look, there's a box right here for you. Come out and see it. Look, I'll line it up for you.
Oh, maybe I didn't have that conversation with the gentleman. Maybe that's in the next video.
Hey, help me out on that side, please. Help me out on this side, please. You get shot, I'm sorry. Okay, my fault. Game over. That's where you were.
Hope you like this short video of capture the box or take the box, and yeah, I'll be posting another one soon. In a bit, peace.